Do do do. Do do do. What's this? Ooh. What? Sorry, could you repeat? Okay, so I think you're supposed to go up here into this elevator, and apparently there'll be somebody to help you up there or something. Okay, we're here. Oh.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Do you want a Southern Shiny Rock?
I would love a shiny rocks.
Come with me.
Okay.
Just high-five this Lemming, and you will be received 1 million Shiny Rocks straight into your bank account.
Why did I trust this guy? Bet. You're joking about what is this?
You will receive your 1 million Shiny Rocks soon.
Yo. No.
You will see.
No. What the frick's going on? Yo. What is this?
Gamer,
You scared me, bro.